Hello Fada, accent on the Irish language, basic notes and background for the curious, with session leader Renata Henley. From the Hedge School at the Irish Roots Cafe. More courses and information found at www.irishroots.com.
Fáilte roa bharasha harja, gudi hello fada, sharanata ansha.
I am fine is the set of words for the day. And how did we say that again?
Tame gama.
Tame goma.
And there's other ways to say it too. Time gama.
Time?
Uh-huh.
Time. And then when the first time I saw it, I thought, Tommy Goma.
Tommy gama.
Well, it made sense to my American mind. Tommy. But it's really
Tame.
Tame.
Tame gama.
Tame goma.
But that's very arrogant, you know.
It is.
Yes, to
Why?
say I'm fine. That's like saying I'm wonderful or I'm fabulous or I'm amazing.
I'm the best in the world.
Exactly. Typically, the Irish don't do that. They say, I'm not bad.
Oh, why would they put this in all those beginners' books?
Because it's easy.
Oh, and we understand that.
That's it.
We're trying to do the same thing here, but we're with a little extra touch, and that's what we've just added. So really, if you were a more sophisticated Irish speaker, you might not say Tame Goma.
You might not. You might say Neelam Godunna.
Neelam Godunna?
It's the same amount of syllables.
That's right. And
Maybe one more.
And it means what?
I'm not bad.
Neelam would be a negative, wouldn't it?
That's right. Neelam is I am not.
I am not. And what was the last part?
Godunna.
Godunna?
Godunna.
Like G-U-H, G.
Uh-huh. That's it.
Godunna. So it's, I am not
Bad.
bad.
I'm not bad.
Say that again, please.
Neelam Godunna.
Neelam Godunna.
That's it.
Now, is the G part of that last word? Or is that...
Absolutely. Well, they're two separate words. One's a particle. G is a particle.
Yes, that's
and
what I was saying.
Dunna means bad.
Okay, so Dunna is the bad part.
Yes.
Neelam Godunna.
Neelam Godunna.
Okay, good. And that means?
I'm not bad.
I mean, how you doing? I'm not bad.
That's it.
Oh, I understand that. So I wonder, let's start that again from scratch. So somebody walks in and says, Kanas Tatu.
And the answer would be Neelam Godunna.
Neelam Godunna.
So Kanas Tatu Avihal.
Neelam Godunna.
Mahu.
Mahu would be good.
Means good on you.
Oh, Mahu. So
It means you said it right and I appreciate it.
Gosh, it sounds almost like that's Hawaiian. Mahu, like mahu mahu.
I think that's a fish. Mahi.
When the fish migrates up to
That's a very
Ireland.
popular fish in Ireland, actually.
Mahi mahi.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'll be doggone. So it's mahu means good on you.
Good on you.
Oh, we better save that for another lesson.
Oh, we probably should.
We talk about good things. But let's repeat this one more time. And then, of course, you all can play this back anytime to double check what we're telling you. And we're going to try to every now and then we'll stop and we'll put some of this in writing on the blog. Now, of course, I really don't understand all these fadas or happy fadas or however you want to call them. Now, or hello fadas. Well, but Renata does. And if I knew how to say it in the Irish, I would say Renata might do this if we're nice to her.
Is that a hint of Ihal? Am I supposed to be blogging now?
It is.
Janie Mac.
Just a paragraph every week or so just to catch people up so we can see it in writing.
I think it's important to see it in writing.
Because people might be lulled into complacency by your voice, which is so nice and fluent, and they'll think they know everything, and they see it in writing and say, oh my goodness, there's so much more to this that I never knew.
We'll have to do some sessions on the difference between Irish and English in the alphabet and how things sound versus what they look like.
Yes, I think that would be a fun one. I'd enjoy that. So we've got the blog we're talking about, and this is the Head School, and we've got 7 other podcast feeds, including Irish family history, Irish song and recitation, and several others. So keep that in mind. It's all on our webpage at irishroots.com. And Renata as well has a little operation of her own, and it's called?
Store Irish for Treasure. It's designer Irish jewelry made in Ireland by Irish people.
Ooh, and what would be the best way for somebody to contact you about that jewelry and design work? Would it be
email, probably.
by mail or email?
Yeah. irishfortreasure@gmail.com. Just spell out all of it. Irish for treasure.
Okay, and if you have a hard time, you can just email me from the webpage, click on the contact link and say, how did I get a hold of Renata again? Or I'm going to try to give Renata a page of her own on the Head School page, connected to the Head School page at irishroots.com. So we might even get a picture or two of her, some of her work on that page. So
It's very generous of you, Gaeilge.
Wouldn't that be good? And after here you are teaching hundreds of thousands, well, thousands of people at least.
Hundreds of thousands of people.
Well, it could happen, you know.
It could happen.
This is the internet.
Oh, brilliant.
So that's good. So let's repeat it one more time for everybody. How's it go?
Conas Tatu,
How are you?
Neelam Gadona.
I am fine, or I am not bad.
I am not bad.
Well, that's good for today. This is Mike OLaughlin from the Irish Roots Cafe at the Head School, talking to Renata after class one more time, saying goodbye.
Slán Nish.
Hello, Fada is a presentation of the Irish Head School at www.irishroots.com. These introductory sessions are for those curious about the Irish language and for those considering a course of study in the future. Renata, your session leader, also offers a course of study in the Irish language and language services on a regular basis. Contact us on our webpage at irishroots.com or by mail at the Irish Roots Cafe, Box 7575, Kansas City, Missouri 64116. Leave a message on our phone recorder at 816-256-3360. Your Head School needs your support. Sponsors and memberships are always welcome. So ends another session from the sunny side of the hedge.